You have graduated but do not have a job offer. You're checking job sites every day. You're applying to different roles, maybe in marketing, operations, sales, whatever seems promising. But deep down, let's be honest, you are not sure what these roles actually mean. And somewhere in the middle of all this confusion, frustration starts to creep in. You start thinking, why isn't anyone calling back? What am I doing wrong? Do I even stand a chance without experience? If that's you, just take a deep breath. You are not alone. I have met so many graduates in the exact same boat, and today I want to talk to you as your mentor. Let me tell you about some roles that don't get talked about enough but are booming right now. Sales Development Representative, SDR, Inside Sales Executive, Lead Generation Specialist, Email Marketing Associate. You might not have heard of these roles in college, but over 40,000 such jobs open up every month in India. Starting salaries are around 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Not bad at all. But here is the truth nobody tells you. Most freshers apply without knowing what the job really involves, and companies don't want to train from scratch anymore. They prefer someone who knows even the basics. Maybe they have done a project, an internship, or just explored the right tools. And that's where you feel stuck because you are willing to work hard, but you just don't know where to start. Today, I am going to talk about B2B sales, break some myths, and also try to give you a roadmap to learn about B2B sales. Let's first understand what B2B sales means. Let's break this down. B2B means business to business. You are helping one company sell its product or service to another company. Basically, you will sell some software, IT services, or some physical products to other companies. What would be your job? Find the right companies who might need your product. Reach out to them via email or LinkedIn, or maybe calling. Fix meetings with decision makers. Show how your product solves a problem and pass the lead to the sales team or close it yourself depending on your role. Here's what a typical SDR, sales development representative, or inside sales executive does every day. They write smart emails to prospects, do cold or warm calling with confidence, use tools like LinkedIn, Apollo, or any CRM to track leads. Sometimes do product demos if it's a SaaS role. So we understood what B2B sales means, and we also understood what kind of work you will be doing. Now let's see how you can prepare for these kind of roles. At the entry level role, you start with lead generation. You first work towards identifying the right companies to whom you can sell, and within them, the right people to connect with. And then you will create your lead database, which is nothing but information on companies and people whom you want to target. You need details like company name of that person, designation, contact details like email, phone number, LinkedIn profile, etc. Now, to build this kind of database, there are many tools available in the market, and it is good idea that you know a few of them and how to use them. You will use tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Apollo.io, Zoom Info, Clay, Instantly, but don't get overwhelmed. If you want to learn how to build a database, start with Apollo.io. One tool, free trial. You can learn so much from it. Build small projects for practice. Trust me, it will make your resume stand out. Next, You will be expected to get responses from these prospects and leads. This can happen over emails, LinkedIn messages, or calls. So let's start with two major channels and talk about how email marketing works. In email marketing, two things matter: writing emails that actually get replies, then sending emails at scale using automation. You will use tools like Apollo.io, Instantly, ChatGPT, Copy.ai, Clay. All these tools will help you to run email marketing campaign at scale with right automation, with right workflow, and with personalization. Again, if you want to start with one tool, I will suggest you start with Apollo.io. That is enough to get started. You can write your emails, personalize them, schedule follow-ups, track results, all in one place. We even use ChatGPT prompts to create amazing email drafts. You don't need to be a writer, just know how to use these tools smartly. Now let's talk about calling, which is again a major way to reach out to clients. Learn the basics: how to open a conversation, handle objections, build trust when you are calling to your prospect. For B2B sales calling, you can watch videos from few good YouTube channels. Just search B2B sales calling. So my request is, you will get the right B2B sales job if you develop the right skills and start learning about B2B sales. What actually matters is your skill set. You need to know how to prospect, how to use sales tools, follow sales processes, and now it's important that you know how to use GenAI to get results. Don't let months pass waiting for someone to select you. Skill yourself and make companies want to talk to you.